Follow these steps to fix iPhone 18 stuck on verifying update on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now, navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Ensure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can offload or delete the unused apps. Next, head back. Enable for the option Airplane Mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it. Likewise, scroll down. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. Here, from the list of the apps, find iOS 18, click on that file, delete it. Then again head back, navigate to the option Software Update and try to reinstall it. If the solution doesn't work for you, first restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Next, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset, click on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. With this as well, your problem might be fixed. Next up, disable for the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. So scroll down and navigate to the option Screen Time, click on Content and Privacy Restrictions and disable for this option. With all these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.